In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects in an image using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been using Canva for a while, understanding how to manipulate elements within your design can really enhance your creativity and productivity. We're going to break this down into a few simple steps to help you effortlessly move objects and design with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have Canva opened up on your computer with the project you're working on. Look over to the left hand side of your screen where you'll find a menu listing options like templates, photos and text. For today we'll be focusing on the Elements tab. Go ahead and click on Elements. This tab contains a treasure trove of graphics, shapes and objects you can incorporate into your design to make it truly unique. Now that you're in the Elements section, you'll see a wide range of options available. To personalize your design, take some time to browse through the various categories. Perhaps you're looking for a simple shape, a decorative element, or even an icon that fits your theme. Once you find an element that catches your eye and suits your design, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. It's important to select elements that align with the overall theme and purpose of your project, so take a moment to consider how each element fits into your creative vision. Once you've added the element to your canvas, it's time to position it exactly where you want it. Click on the element and you'll see small handles appear around it. By clicking and holding the left mouse button, you can drag this element around your image. This is a good moment to experiment and think about the composition. Perhaps try placing it in different positions until you find that sweet spot where it visually balances with the other components of your design. Why is the positioning of your elements essential? Well, it can affect how your image is perceived, guiding your audience's eye and enhancing the message you want to convey. You're not just moving objects around, you're creating a visual narrative that can communicate emotion, emphasis, and style. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can move objects in your Canva designs with precision and flair. The ability to manipulate elements gives you greater control over your creative expression, and it's a skill that, with practice, can truly transform your projects. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how repositioning elements can bring your designs to life. Happy designing!